Welcome back. In this session, we are going to create a master data for this requirement. Finished goods, component 1, component 2. Go to SAP MM01. Here select retail. Final product we are going to create under this one, YTRA. Press enter. If you have MRP, you need to select MRP as well. Press enter. Here subcontracting. Finished goods, final product. Select each. Press F4. Take any material group. Since this configuration is at client level, based on your requirement, you can use any. I am taking this one. Press enter. This is purchasing. Purchasing group 880. This is planned. Press enter. Again press enter. Here select this one. If you want to use V for final product, you can use the V here. This purely depends on a company only. Company to company it will differ. Generally many companies will use for subcontracting final product S. So we are also going to use S here. Standard price. Press F4. This is fixed means let us take here 55. Enter here 55. Standard means we are fixing the price of this finished goods. If due to any reason like increase in component price, increase in charges, will change this price. Let us take price is 55 now. Here component price is increased. This is right now 10. It became 11. So what is the cost now? 57. What we maintained in material master, we maintained 55 there. So that means whenever you do goods receipt for this final product, system will post price differences. Price difference posting as well. So that is anything if price is getting increased or price is getting decreased. Let us take now price is 9. Price is decreased here, component price. This will have now what is my price? 53. But what is my price as per my material master? Here I am maintaining fixing the price of this final product to 55. So when you receive the goods from the subcontractor, system will consider all these component cost and subcontracting charges cost. This price will check with the material master price. If the price is getting deviated, system will post a price difference. This is favorable price difference because now here 55, here we are getting incur only 53, less than the standard one. This is favorable. If it is getting increased, this is unfavorable. So you need to have subject knowledge as well. What is the standard costing? So now go to our discussion, change this to 10. My price is 55 only. This is fixed. If any changes happen in the underlying component prices or subcontracting charges, that will be posted to price difference accounts at the time of GR from subcontracting. Now press enter, save this, note down this article number, material master. See, in a retail we will call this as article. Other than retail, we will call this as a material master. This is my final product. The same way we need to create components here. Here select YROH, raw material, press enter, 8801, here component 1, each, press enter, here select 3000, this is V. What is the price of my component? Price is 10 USD per unit. Moving average. Here I am using moving average. Press enter, save this. Note down this article. Now create a component 2. Here enter component 1 to save the time. Press enter, 8801 0001. Component 2. Press enter, save this. We have successfully created second component as well. What is the next step? First step is to create material master. Second step is to create a BOM for final product. Like this, we need to create BOM. Like this for this finished goods and component 1 and component 2. Go to a T code called CS01 CS01. See, BOM is nothing but what are the components required to manufacture this final product we are listing in BOM. To manufacture this product, here I need a component 1 and component 2. Whatever is maintained in Excel, same way we are doing in SAP. See, to manufacture this product, I need a component 1, 2 quantity, component 2, 1 quantity. That is we are maintaining here. Press enter, save this. We have successfully completed up to here. In next session,